Hi, I'm Konstantin. Today I'll show you a data conversion tool for developers that turn legacy Markdown data into a clean, open knowledge format. Okay. In the next few minutes, I'll cover what it does and show you a small demo. So, what happens when knowledge base grows and grows? Format attributes become inconsistent. One developer use one tag, another use another. If we build software around Markdown, we need to support different formats or create some kind of mapping each time for a new metadata. Open knowledge format helps to fix that. And this is basically the specification for this format. It was developed by Google recently. It gives a clear structure. It also defines which fields should appear in YAML section, like title, description, and so on. It gives meaning to files such as index.md and log.md. It also defines the structure of those files. I have written about Markdowns before because is one of the simplest way for human and LLM to work together. Now we have a standard that help us make that collaboration more consistent. Different tools can be built on top of it. Tools for retrieval, tools for viewing, tools for navigation. The point is simple. The format gives us a common language. If you have a wiki with many different formats, the obvious idea is to send this OKF spec to your coding agent as like Cloudy Code or GitHub Copilot and ask it to apply the spec. But what if your wiki has 10,000 nodes or even more? And basically, you have already a structure, you have some formats inside of the AI of it. And if you send the spec, probably the conversion will go a wrong way. So one request per file or something like this. And how many tokens would it cost? In this case, it will be smarter to convert the old structure to the new one in deterministic way and save both money and energy. So let me return back to the plot, to the architecture diagrams. And basically, open knowledge format converter. It's just a tool that convert your Markdown files into open knowledge format. It's local, extract, transform, load, pipeline, Markdown, repository. It's read the repository, normalize YAML, frontmatter. It keeps the directory index in sync. Everything runs locally. There is no cloud dependency, no extra LLM, and no unnecessary complexity. The design is simple. It has CLI tool with several methods like convert and generate index. Now let's open the terminal and take a look how it works. First, I will run convert. If you don't trust the process, you can specify the run attributes and take a look what the command will do without actually applying the transformation. As you can see, attributes were normalized, title was moved to the YAML section, also date attributes were updated, and so on. Now let's run the index command, generate index command. Indexes were created. Let's take a look. Index has title, link, and also description. And let's check the log. We can see both iterations, the first one, and the logs for the second iteration as well. Looks quite good. So the result is not a glamour UI interface. It's something more useful. We have a CLI tool which helps to transform your knowledge base to something more consistent. Metadata becomes easy to understand and future integrations more simple. In other words, OKF Convert turns a personal wiki into something that is easier to integrate and to use. That is the core of the solution. If you have any questions, please ask. I will answer every question in comments. Thank you. Bye.